friends, and welcome back to my channel once again, Creative Queen X. My name is Jiya Singh and welcome back. So today's video is a bit different. So as you can see from the thumbnail, it's about Priyanka Chopra. So I don't know about you guys, but I really like Priyanka Chopra and I would love to meet her one day. She's just such a beautiful lady. It's like I would describe her as someone like beauty with brains. That's how I see her. She's just amazing. So she's got very strong features and her lips are so beautiful. So there is a secret recipe. So basically she has lots of secret recipes from her mom, which have been passed through like generations and generations. If you are from an Asian community background, like just like me as well, you probably know that we Asian people have lots and lots of, you know, beauty secrets from our parents, from our grandparents, and further on. So yeah, this is one of those recipes. So basically this recipe Priyanka Chopra actually got from her mother, and so I'm going to discuss this with you, how you can get pumped up lips and rosy lips and very sexy lips. So let's get to the video. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using is dead sea salt. As you can see over here, it doesn't really matter what brand you use because sometimes it's just you paying for the brand, if you know what I mean, so it doesn't really matter. So dead sea salt has really amazing exfoliating properties, and it also flushes toxins from your bodies, and it just heals your body and refreshes your body. It's just has many benefits, which I'm going to be listing down here. Yeah, and so I'm going to be taking about I'm going to take about, as you can see, 1 small spoon of dead sea salt, because just even a little bit of scrub lasts you like for a very long time, because you just need a very little quantity. My second ingredient is a little bit of glycerin. Glycerin has properties that like smooths your lips, and when you rub it against your lips it nourishes them really well. Just about like a few drops, like even less than, like about half a small spoon, I would say. Yeah. So the next ingredient I'm going to be using is rose water. Rose water is really good for pink lips. Let me just see how much I need. I'm going to be using about 1 spoon. When I make these DIYs at home, I don't really measure them, so that's why when I do my videos I'm like so yeah, that's what happens. So I just use about 1 spoon of rose water. Now, as you can see over here, the mixture is slightly runny, and I'm gonna add a little bit more salt because we don't want the mixture to be that runny. So I actually ended up adding one more small spoon of dead sea salt because the mixture was a bit runny, as I said. So now the mixture looks like that. I don't know if you can see in the camera. So it doesn't like drip or anything, you know, it's kind of like solid but not that solid. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the mixture and just apply it on my lips. notice, but I can definitely notice a change on my lips color. My lips, as you can see, they look much more pinker and plumpier than before. And if you like regularly use this, probably like once or twice a week, that should be fine. And yeah, I just hope this works for you as well, and I'm sure it definitely will. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to kiss your lover, because now you got some sexy lips. Take care and have a beautiful day. Love you all so much. Bye bye.